Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch profiles manually on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So as you guys can see, we are in the RAZER Synapse. Now let me quickly move the mouse a little, and as you guys can see, here we are in the Viper V4 Pro settings. We're gonna go over, and here we have the profiles. So what are we gonna do and how we change them manually? We tap right here and we select the profile we want to use. So this is the first profile. You guys see that it says RAZER Hypershift right here, and here it just says mouse button 4. So as you guys can see, that's how you guys can easily change the profiles. Let me quickly create another one, and we can adjust them like this, and they are automatically saving into our device as long as we got the app running. And once the app is turned off, the profiles still will be saved. So that's how you guys can easily switch the profiles in this dropdown. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.